through every hardship with strength and courage strive to meet each challenge that you face, to keep your dreams alive. Always there to help us and trying to be a friend. Your caring love helps pave the way so broken hearts can mend. You're a hero, an example to the world for everyone to see. You're a hero, you're the type of person that I would like to be. You're the type of person. You give hope to a troubled world, and that is just the start. You succeed in all you do. Strength comes from the heart. With concerns for others, you answer every call. Even willing to risk your life, you sacrifice for all.